Juma GOG. Omo the contract ama obi. No ma sheda fa chire. HTS sikana mana broso $2.98 million. Yonye cedis. Dollars. I'll go into that.
Ebusian for how Ghana TVGH. Message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for yes, sister Vim lady. Or yeah, Juma or OKFM. I say I'm on in US. Wednesdays, I think Mondays, Wednesdays, she hosts a program, and then in that program, yeah, how it goes. Now, there's an interesting perspective that Vim lady has stated recently, and I listening to her, I believe something that exudes hypocrisy. You can't be a hypocrite. You can't be a hypocrite per se, but the analysis, say now say kasano. Now, in what Vim lady said, she admitted, there were some basic issues that needed to be addressed. Ebano says state-owned enterprises, to say ECG, Ghana Water, and the others. Now, in Vim lady's discussion, and I say Asema Okano, she admitted, most of the time we tend to accuse politicians for almost everything. We say politicians are corrupt. When we hear this politician has spent money, we this car, we YSA. But Vim lady is now saying, we realize this, enye nukre in its entirety, no. Because, uko agencies, sometimes chief directors, sika aya making no easy. Ebia minister no cry and I say government appointee no. Politician I war ejuma no nim kra award the contract nowhere. Chief director Timi sorry Ofanichi ekojini cut and all those things. And I say engineers are supposed to inspect the work and ensure a good work is being done. Now I ask myself, does Vim lady want to genuinely tell all of us she's just realizing this under John Mahama's government? Evrana Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia wa hodie. Vim lady wants to tell us, she did not sit down to consider this perspective and to realize, all might not be the fault of Akufo-Addo or Bawumia, as she and the cohorts sought to paint. Obi ebowa ewa ministries kra, yesi Bawumia na ye, yesi Akufo-Addo na ye. Obi misbehavior or sports, nyante chiko kasakra, yesi Bawumia, Akufo-Addo. Obisi, person tina ha, ma 100,000, ubetina baby eben president, President only mushi. I will blame Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo is corrupt. Bawumia is corrupt. MPP is corrupt. Today, MPP is no longer in power. And because they are scared of blaming the current president, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, now we are turning towards chief directors and the technocrats. You see, give time some time. Every single day, Nana Akufo-Addo, Dr. Bawumia, MPP is being vindicated. Not only by our political opponents, but also by these so-called journalists and so-called neutrals that ensure that NPP is in opposition today. But I am very much sure, with time, Ghanaians will awaken to reality and they will trust the elephant again. Which for the video is up next. I will see you in the next one.
Yes, a sika Ghana for taxpayers' money because a Bosnian crown government, Ghana government, the last time I checked here, Ghana a public debt, you see a cha. Obia doctor, don't feneba had a better assassin will so Obia Benyahe, Obia de 2.3, 250 Ghana cedis. Yen check Ghana debt, Namaya. Now, moment to ECG, you are just say it will blow your mind. Senate for and Susika almost so. It wasn't common to come health insurance now.
Answer no. Say owo abrochri anase owo Ghana ha. Now oye program bi say engagement, wedding anase funeral. Now ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a. And for any engine, I will be say cam hacks. number no ena eda screen ne so no na dwuma ho etwa yie papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia wo frɛ na obeba abetwa wo program no e de amount anase empo wo amanone ena wo hwɛ yen ena wo beye program ena wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no e de amawa contact number na eda screen ne so no obetwa wadwuma no yopo e de amount che say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enkyerem e wo ba bia anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone e de etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababeya ma fe
but your sense system no a eno na ye nyina ebenya system no ho adidie enti nya ya na ye kan say oh ana Ghana de system ho pa me ya sense system no because eno na betumi abo ama chief director bi esi dan wo East Legon every quarter bia no atodan by board we pe ha we pe a VRA we pe gapoha we pe ha they know say institutions the honest kawo Ghana nkasa no hu say the president Kufuor kan emre bi say yeti sika so come there indeed yeti sika so see manage your resources here Ghana yeti sika so and literally yeti gold so and can you gold here and they are done no say oh a gold board aba e dey galamsey kra yento yen jingum me say very soon nya cocoa better than yakoton. You know what galamsey is doing to your cocoa for the past 4 or 5 years? Wouldn't see your cocoa no nya 1 million metric tons na president Kufuor na atamos dija any biom. We are not able to generate 1 million metric tons. No, for the past 8 years no yen to me nya 1 million metric tons. Jama 2017 2018 nya 1 point something metric ye through. We thought say a first a COVID we have not, because as I see edi bedua koko ye twetware nyina de galamsey, and we have emboldened galamsey by politicians saying that ye ba obi abedidi peche be momotu. We have another level of emboldenment here. The galamsey is that you are cutting gold board. What they enter? Say your president here in the media encounter question a journalist busan about galamsey. So at the end say omo ye dada. At the end say ye the anti we must as well take the money out of it. Take that money out of it. Na koko nin say. Because ko etiwa haya etiwa toto etiwa ya kwaben miama ko won ma ye twitwa koko nua no ye galamsey. In the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, ye nya koko better than yakoton. And abrofo no kra hu say not only are we destroying your cocoa no with galamsey activities, but in chemicals near you so cyanide, mercury, say hu traces of it in your cocoa. Abrofo no nyansa say Ghana for ye hu kire ye mpani akọ syndicated capital che say your cocoa ndie ya ye cocoa ni te say a junkie ye hu kire ye ne ye hu kire ye ntumi an generate cocoa no dodo na ye de akotua ka ye de ka ene ya san fa akire ene ya san kwaje advance money wa abrofo no obiem ti san de omo another batch of cocoa still ye nya anyansa se ye be grow cocoa no more na cocoa na ba na ye de akotika na campus ye de cocoa me say me bra pani o de cocoa scholarship ene co school ye gunu ene scholarship na da ne get fund ene scholarship secretariat ene so so a ye de ama party aparachiki for wa unya party ni just wakoba wa hamu no pani bi de awom ama ansa na wati benya scholarship. Is this a nation that is serious? Is this a nation that is serious? Is it an omanya yeti sikaso yeti gold ne ade so de ye ni ye keke nenchiri maninya ho mfaso koko na Fernando Po de baye no tete kwashi di fi Fernando Po baye no senko ye ni say yanke na ye benya koko ama koko amaye. Cocoa used to give us the biggest amount of hospital. Yenye bidi ato paracetamol amount health insurance, kidney for kwa yenye bidi aye dialysis no health straight of what na so we'll go into it because what figures na aye bobo no auditor general report ma one kasa one will BP beba. Nti ene program no ni wo hwe na wo BP ampa chokoda me ntie because sika ya babo boss no pepe ni nkofo di se sika no enya asem ketwa. And oh dear, and no, because we train some 3 years, 4 years about, and we go back to the same problem. They say so. Be great. This kind of was a system. No, you show me a no cry a court, not court to cry. Yeah, proper due diligence. No prove some power for teku simple for scanner bra. Now yeah, the politics are kata asem no. And did I just say sikano kwa embabio? Ghanaians have lost. Sikano ko emebio. These are the things that I think Ghana Mranti and Mabawa. You must focus your minds. Muna mudos chemre one in kokre wa Ghana. Muye over if abudio you or mundu 18 bear registered now. Omo registered and you over 10 million. Almost 12 million of these young people, 18 to 34. Some of these stories, some of these reports, moon kind po. Auditor General report, you the what Ghana moon kind po. Moko to say a cancer moon tiempo. Nipa na no shatawale ye concept omkogu. Nipa sakode ye concept omkogu. These are the youth we are talking about, but they don't care about where their money is going. Because some of these reports, it's not hiding. These are public documents. Yeah, now who MP? Usuwa busana MP mu GSC cannot am. But unfortunately, ye mudu do na even when them me who from ye 40 something or the mono more up to 18 to 34. There be more MPs now honorable 20 Ghana. Meanwhile, pay wo honoma and kia kojia bank be creative factory ama wa me wenye biaye. Sa pay when ka ba e kanya no se mahama ye nkokon ketenkete na ebe roli out and ka even nkokon ketenkete no kwan ka ebe timi de pushi, but we are not even interested in this. Aban basikede bia yesika eko nkofo, and it's not like these people are hiding omu yetika no omu hiding. It is there in the report. Their names are there. Institutions are captured. According to Auditor General, 15 billion out of that money near yesika ebe timi ajiba koje. Koji na nkofo de atoto trasako. No, na take kwado omo koto dan no Dubai. Into huno. Oshana na buying free so ano. And you see, yeah, now unfortunately, we are guilty of that. Yet two yenisi politicians, but most of the people now, obudis can omunya politicians. Chief Director for the omunya politicians. Koshe Isle gone. West Hills, any friends Westland. Adanye go on do one any politicians in there. These are the people technocrat for no more ministries no. Omo na we minister now cause honorable sign mo bie. Honorable in impress. I can have mofia money baby or sign mo bie over an sign mo bie obwa. All signing now sign no death warrant. Omo be person who be this can be said about omo no beche. Me one I did down back East Legon. Or not to see impress or their sign here. Who signature na was sign no. Who minister ni MP no was sign. Amano pay wajakodi. The youth must be interested in where their monies are going. Ebini S. Gracia. For years, we speak about S. Gracia, but obieni wa wenya kukudro to even change. And I know I something with that minister say, oh, this issue about Mahama and the next 10, no, yeah, you say a bit answer constitution. The constitution was given to Ghana by NDCO. President Mahama need a free money. Or no, trust our constitution. We're under his watch, 1992. And no yes, our constitution in Ghana for taking effect in 1993. And now I don't even know why we are even entertaining this conversation. Say, yes, it's a constitution, not President Mama, because President Mama, like I said, himself, a 2 terms and a constitution, who we are, what we are, and it's an entrenched clause. I just hear a referendum and saying assistant constitution. Imagine, say, the Ashanti Regional Minister posting, Mammy, you go Facebook so that you all know, say, men are made by Muslim America. What you say? Say, on one, you must say, same way, okay. Say MPP for neko pushi. Me say me kaipa. Me na many afi. President Kufuor free akonya to 2008. Our President Kufuor po suggest say 4 years now ye dem president. Esa. Enti ebe yan kenye 5 years and I be 7 years. Try ye chabo President Kufuor don franco asantefor no. Obedi president do nya ya na ka ono ne party abana ko asantena so bieu. Na ko meanwhile, Santa President Kufuor ka na oko. Matamils na what we need elections. Matamils na baba yedi natem. Today, NBC is saying they are giving justification why yes, it's a constitution. No, near my president mama another term. Which is why I mean, if say president mama, but no ni sa again. But me pushy president mama suddenly president mama started can say, Professor Jane, Oba made president, Oba made president. Onim, who say, and I'm saying this, maybe I'm wrong, but. This is my own speculation, and to be fair, this is my own adventurous media journey. Me as a journalist, when I see politicians talking And I'm looking for some buzzwords. Once they are using those buzzwords, when you say the money, now some coffee money. Because now no, Oko Ghana whereby you see, you say some Jonah, Obi animo penny kesi go the Jumana koye, some Jonah say, President Mama crack kasa any sadreno, but Oma come at President Mama a dream. Ain't President Mama so you make us say, oh, Ebeya, Yamo Bamra, because who says, Obama ba, that's the end of his term. When we was serving first term, and I walk on a waban or serving the second term, but to me the Obama. Now in this case, if Obani a Professor Jena no Pokwadma, who's the vice president, Mr. Mamino on pe president to on cast up a politician, she's in politics by default. Mamino is a proper technocrat. She's a proper educationist. What ya ono you be at school book long. School needed in it on politics. Until now that Oma pushy president Mama Sandia to it. So go second term, one go second term. Oma will say, second term, any possibility of amending the constitution is yeah. The other alternative is a procedure, no pokwaj my baba. No, because I mean on politics. Mamino will just be a figurehead president, but in effect to be President Mama another term, which will give President Mama 3 terms. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing it? Because President Mama they say in 4 years. A one company vim, no they are fixing a system now say no. Because we had Ghana system, you see any system oh. Ko abroche the system no, and a Ghana the any system. Yeah, what system ni be shut that. I'm a system now you're broken. The system is broken on purpose. The system you shut that pass here say no. Say the buy you never did you home. That is the thing. Yes, system no say the buy you na you did you home. That is the whole objective. Into any system.